How to log into your TD Bank online banking step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get your TD Bank through your App Store or Play Store on your phone, and then simply install the application. After installing it, you can simply open it, right? So after opening your application here, all you need to do is simply add in all of your credentials of your account. So in here, like I said, all you need to do is first of all add in your username and then add in your password right here. And if you want your application to remember all of your credentials next time, you can simply select the option remember me and then simply tap on login, and then from there you'll be successfully be able to log into your account, right? So in here, if you simply tap on this face ID that you can see right here, now you can tap on OK. So in here, if you add in your username and then password and then tap on your face ID right here, you can actually enable your face ID for your login credentials, so you don't have to manually write down all of your like credentials step by step. Instead, you can simply use your face ID in order to log in. So in here, let's just say somehow you have like forgotten your username or your password, then what you can actually do is simply tap on the option need help logging in right here, and then you can select what you have actually forgotten. Like it might be a username or it might also be a password. If you simply tap on that one, you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover your username or your account password. So in here, you can see we have the last digit of our EIN, or you can like even add in your username and then tap on continue and go along with the process. So just like this, all you need to do is like I said, add in your credentials and then tap on login, and like that you'll be able to log into your TD Bank online banking step by step. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.